As you can see, chainsaw gloves. Frozen solid chainsaw gloves. Quench dog. Frozen chainsaw pants. Like a rock. Like a brick. My chainsaw pants. Oh yeah. They got oil on them. Chainsaw pants got oil on them. And now they're frozen solid. Because we're trying to air them out and rinse them out. The hoodie. My hoodie. It's like it could fold in half at any second. Oh man, it's shattered. This thing could just break into a million pieces. Look at this thing, huh? Look at this thing. I can't get a good picture of it. Chainsaw. Look at that. Look at this bad boy. Let's see if it'll break. Oh, yeah. One more time. That one wasn't that good. Oh well. See what's all right. Oh. And we got these jobbers. We're starting to warm up a little bit. They're getting that airflow in them now. But yeah, they're frozen solid. Just trying to get the oil smell out of them.